So we've just released the auto-populate shift feature that will help you do automatic rota scheduling. So I'm going to do a quick run through of how that works. So we've got the button top right, auto-populate, but first you need some shifts to auto-populate. So I'm going to add a quick day shift that will repeat Monday to Friday. And I've got a few employees, so if I want to autofill that, I'll just click auto populate, run it, and that's done. So it optimizes for fair distribution, so it tries to give everyone the same amount of hours within the period that you've selected. You can do this for a whole month or more if you want. So it will try to assign all the shifts that are possible. If it can't assign any shifts, for example, if I had 6 shifts on a day, only 5 employees, it would leave one of them blank. So there's a few more details to note here, but currently it's set to always give at least 12 hours minimum rest time for an employee between shifts. We will probably make that kind of configurable in the future. So I'm going to run through a quick example that's more advanced now. Let's say we have a hotel and we have a cleaner that we want to fill and a receptionist. So we can add a section and then add a skill requirement of cleaner. You can just add a new skill name here if you don't have it set up like I do. So add a section for the cleaner, and let's add a shift. So cleaning shift, give it a different color, and we'll make that repeat on a daily basis. So add that. And then let's add another section for the receptionist, which needs the receptionist skill. And we'll make a shift, slightly different color. And we'll make that run Monday to Friday. Okay, so we've got our shifts. Now we just need to assign some staff. So we're going to give Annabelle the cleaner role, and we're going to give James the cleaner role, and Sylvia will be a receptionist. Harry will also be a receptionist. Okay. So now we've got some staff with skills assigned and some shifts with skill restrictions. So if we run the auto-populate now, you will see that only the staff with cleaner skills have been assigned to the cleaner shifts, and the same for receptionists. So there's a few more kind of restrictions that the auto-populate takes into account. They're all listed here, but you can also restrict by location. So if you had another hotel, you could say that James only works at the London hotel, whereas Sylvia works at the Brighton hotel, etc. So location availability. And then you got the staff actual availability per day as well. So if you've enabled this in configure and then use availability, then employees can set their own availability for which days they work or which hours, and the auto-populate will also take that into account. And the last thing is also any leave that's booked in. Obviously, if a staff member is on leave, then they will not be assigned to any auto-populated shifts. So that's just a quick run through of the new auto-populate feature. Try it out and let me know what you guys think.